Today we're at our second Geotrek Meetup. This is our first one in Utah. We have over 25 owners here, almost, it seems like 20 dogs here. And we are at North Lake Powell. It's gorgeous out. Everyone's running around, riding bikes, running, paddleboarding.
Everybody, I gotta say, is just having a fantastic time. It's just a real blast.
Geotrek's been amazing supporters of the group. We've done these meetups. This is the second meetup that we've hosted and planned, and the amount of people who have come out has really grown. And it's just really cool to see the community come together and support each other.
We have young people, we have people retired who are kind of just living their best lives in their vans. It's a really special thing, and we couldn't be happier with how it has come to fruition.
They also have these little tags that we put in our vans to say, you know, we visited like 10 national parks and we get rewarded for that. So that's really cool. I love it.
Boatwright was awesome when I was on it, and jumping in the water was the greatest thing. I'm a former lifeguard. It feels like home to me when you jump right in, and plus I hadn't showered in a while, so it was great.
It's been such an amazing weekend, getting to meet all new people. I love being part of this Geotrek community.
Geotrek!